Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect IONOS domain to Pinterest. The first thing I want you to do is just log into your IONOS dashboard, come to the top, click on menu, and then you can click on this first option, domains and SSL. From here I want you to scroll down and select the IONOS domain that you want to connect to Pinterest, so we'll choose this one. Now here you'll see destination under details, click on adjust destination, and you can see it's currently connected to LinkedIn. So what we need to do is click here, adjust connection to external page. And we need to just scroll down here under social media services. You'll see Pinterest. Okay, I want you to click on this. And basically what you need to do is enter your Pinterest username. So you can find it just like this. The way you come on Pinterest, you click here on the bottom left on the gear cog. You can click on this and then click here on settings. Now if I scroll down, you'll see this is our username, right? So I want you to copy that. So this is our URL as well. So you paste in your username, you click on connect, and then it should say that it has been connected to Pinterest. So there's your domain. I'll copy that and I'll go open a new tab, just paste that in, press enter, and you should see it redirect us to our Pinterest profile. Okay, and that is how to connect IONOS domain to Pinterest.